In this video, I'll show you how you can fix you'll need a new app to open this Ms-gamingoverlay link. First step is we want to come here and we want to search for game bar settings. Open up the game bar settings and then you want to turn it off right here. Just make sure it's turned off. Then what you want to do is you want to search for game bar and find it here. Right click and go to app settings. Now once you're in here, you want to terminate it, repair, and then reset. After you've done that, you want to come down here and search for CMD. Right click, run as an administrator, and in here what you want to type is sfc/scan now and press enter. Then you want to wait for this to scan your PC. It's gonna take a few minutes, and when it's at 100%, what you want to do is you want to come back in to game bar settings and you want to enable it, and then you want to restart your PC. After that, it should be fixed. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.